Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to cook in the rice cooker. First, measure your desired amount of rice, typically 1 or 2 cups. Next, rinse the rice thoroughly under cold, running water until the water runs clear. This removes excess starch, leading to fluffier rice. Then, add the rinsed rice to the inner pot and add the appropriate amount of water. For most white rice, a 1-to-1 ratio is ideal. Close the lid securely and press the cook button to begin. Achieving perfectly cooked rice largely depends on the correct water-to-rice ratio. For white rice, a simple 1-to-1 ratio works best, meaning 1 cup of water for every 1 cup of rice. Brown rice, however, requires more liquid. Use 1 1/2 cups of water for every 1 cup of brown rice. Always use the measuring cup provided with your rice cooker for accuracy. Adjust slightly based on your rice type and desired texture, ensuring not to overfill the pot. For the best results and perfectly fluffy rice, a few key steps are crucial. Once the rice cooker switches to warm or finishes cooking, allow the rice to rest, undisturbed, for 10 to 15 minutes with the lid still closed. This allows the steam to redistribute evenly. After resting, gently fluff the rice with a rice paddle or fork to separate the grains. Avoid opening the lid during the cooking cycle, as this releases steam and affects the cooking process. Your rice cooker is a versatile kitchen appliance, capable of much more than just cooking plain rice. You can easily prepare other grains like quinoa or oatmeal by adjusting the water ratios. Many models come with a steamer basket, perfect for steaming vegetables, fish, or dumplings while your rice cooks below. You can even create simple one-pot meals, such as soups or stews. Experiment with adding broths, herbs, or spices to elevate your rice dishes.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.